So this is Neil. I'm a Corps member at the Conservation Corps of Long Beach. Today we're doing work at Belvedere Park. If you look behind me, we have Corps members doing mulch, and then we have Corps members planting behind me too as well. If you go look over here, we have a plant. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what we do and how to plant these. So if you look over here, we have the plant. Pretty much you wanna beat around it to make sure the plant is loose when you wanna take it out the bucket. For plants like these, you always wanna use 2 tablets. After that, don't forget to add your soil because it's the nutrients which keeps these plants alive. Pretty much from there, I like to get my plant upside down, pull it out just like this. And you see this around, you want to break it down to have these roots exposed. Just like that. So once your plant is looking like this, you want it broken down all the way, you put it in. See, just like that. And you want to make sure that your plants are leveled. All plants are leveled to make it look nice and have your park look most professional as you could. Next step, you backfill. Always don't forget to compact it and make sure that the top of this root is exposed so the plant will not be choked. And now you guys know how to plant a plant. This is pretty much what we're doing at Belvedere Park, and we'll finish planting these plants, making a mulch, and soon it will look nice.